Have you ever wondered how long the white lines are in the middle of a... Okay, it's early, too early for the servo to be open. It doesn't open for about another hour. The information centre doesn't open for 2 hours. So I'm going to the coffee van to get Chris a coffee. It is freezing, like freezing. Finally, the servo is open. Some camera crews over here. Place has been alive for a little while, but it's becoming alive in a way that serves us. Time to get some drinking water. Got a tap here. We've got a little bit of time to wait here, about an hour before we can get our tickets and I can buy my stubby holder. So the guys have gone to the bakery to grab a pie and I'm going for a bit of a wander through Birdsville to see what I can find. Just passing the state school now and the pub's back up there, and I'm coming to the old hotel down here on the right. Walking through the streets of Birdsville, taking pictures and getting some footage of some hotels and schools, and I see this monstrosity coming at me down the road. What could it be? Oh no, it's pulling over. I'm going to head back and try my luck for the tickets. Apparently there's a lineup already and they're not open for another 45 minutes. So I'm going to go stand in the line. Can you see my lips are turning blue?
No overtaking unless signed. That's so good. Google Earth. They're just huge lines that go forever. Brad.
Yay! Simpson does it! Woo! She's got her fly.
Thing on.
Sounds like we've got a bathroom back and someone's in there.
Dust is really going the wrong way. One more.
One more. Guys, what have you can see them when you grow up? Hey, Mom.
Yeah, they're awesome!
You have to take a toilet selfie. Oh, they dropped one.
So, you get your little cup, and you go back Yeah, very cool. And then you put your little cover your business. You gotta have a look before you shave it off.
I'm gonna be a billy goat for Billy Goat Big Red Bash.
What do you guys think?
It's different. It's different. Well, my mum always said that you can grow up to be whatever you want to be. So if you want to be a Billy Goat.
Stage and Wendy's. Booyah! Booyah!
Yeah, yeah. Gas. He's got to go all the way back to Birdsville and pay $8 a kilo to fill up 2 bottles. Uh-oh. I've just left the kids over there behind me. They are rehearsing for their Dreamtime theatre performance on opening night. Just before Adam Brand comes on stage, Chris has headed back to Birdsville to get some gas because, oops, we ran out. Oh, so you got a special exit re-entry pass, and I am going to go up there. John Farnham and Daryl Braithwaite are going to poop up there. Once-in-a-lifetime experience. That was insane. Add it to your bucket list.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, peoples of the bash, we welcome you to us, because we are the Wrap Up Sisters! Come on, chickens!
So we are watching the sunset from one of the most magical places on earth, and where would that be? most special part about right now is that the sun is setting on Big Red. Makes it feel even bigger and even redder. I think we're pretty lucky to be experiencing this, and I'm not sure if we are going to experience it again. Maybe.
Kangaroo hop and look at the kangaroo. Two cockatoos, cockatoos flapping. Can you see the cockatoo?
But what you're about to see is the film as we originally made it. A few minor edits in it, but this is Wheels Across the Wilderness, our trip from 1966.
No one has done it before. No one has even attempted it. Straight across Australia at its widest point. Further than San Francisco to Boston or London to Baghdad. Across a vast emptiness.
Let's